What's up, guys? It's Nakia Does All, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, as y'all can see, those braids are gone. I had to take them bad boys out. Forehead's still out, but it's okay. But anyway, y'all, I came to share a little something with y'all because I felt like one of my walls in my house needed a little bit of pizzazz, and I'm trying to do little things here and there to dress different walls up. So I seen this little idea on Pinterest, and then I also seen the idea on Amazon. Not really an idea, but I seen the exact same kind of design on Amazon. So I'm gonna show y'all this. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for it, but I'm gonna just show y'all. Anyway, it was on Amazon. But I'm wondering if y'all can see that. It's like modern art, like wall art. And I think it's really cool. So I'm gonna try to create this, but I'm gonna put my own little spin on it. Cause I have been seeing some young ladies do this on Pinterest. So before I was rudely interrupted, y'all. Anyway, yeah, so I have this idea that I want to do, and like I said, I'm gonna put my own little spin on it to try not to copycat too much. But like I said, I think it's cute, I think it's cool or whatnot, and that's one of my things. I like to be cool and different, and that's just, you know, that's my style. I'm very different. I don't like to be like this, like in order with style, if that makes sense. Like I like a lot of different things, and yeah. So before I ramble too much, you see this face? Gonna see a lot of this face. I got some videos, but you're gonna see a lot of the face. I'm just so excited today. I'm very happy today because I'm ready to do this DIY because I think it's gonna be cute and it's gonna be fun. Without further ado, y'all, had to stop the video, y'all, because I'm like so excited. I just got an alert that my glasses are finally here. Now, I don't know what be going on with glasses, but I don't know about y'all, but it seems like glasses just be growing legs and they just be walking away and stuff like that. So I'm like so excited that they're here, and we're gonna try these on, since this is gonna be like DIY and unboxing ZeeLooL glasses. I think that's it, they're right. And I got 2 pair, guys, and it wasn't that expensive, so all I had to do was just call my eye doctor, and he shot me an email to let me know what my eye prescriptions were, and all I had to do was punch that in, got the glasses I want, and go from there. So yeah, we're gonna open these and we're gonna try these on. Oh gosh, come on guys, come on out here. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to put these on my face. I hope they are pretty. I hope they be like they were when I ordered them. I'm scared. Here's the first baggie. Oh gosh. Okay. So this is the box that came in. Ooh, I got a $7 off on orders over $29. So I did get like a free card or whatever. And I got, I guess it tells you a little bit about your glasses and everything. A little pamphlet thing to wipe my, a little white to wipe my glasses. I don't know which one to try. Itty bitty mighty mo, catch a rabbit by his toe. If he holler, let him go. Itty bitty mighty mo, and everything. So here we go, guys. I like them. I really do. I like them a lot. Oh, and I can see. Let me look around though at everything. Yes, Lord. Thank you. Another set of eyes. Now let's open up the other ones. But yeah. Just want y'all to check these out. Y'all go check out ZeeLooL. I think that's their name. I hope I pronounced that right, guys. But I really, really like these pair. Yes, I like these. Very beautiful color. I like tan and nude type of colors anyway. On to the second pair. And I only paid like $25 for my whole purchase. Because I caught them on sale when the glasses. Oh, chat. Let's take this little sticky off. Oh my God. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Let's put these on. I like big glasses anyway. I'll let you find inside if it's good. Boy, I'll let you. ZeeLooL, come on now. You came through with these, yes. is it that when I do a video, I'm always getting interrupted, y'all? Like, what be going on? So let me pop a squat real quick. Look at these glasses. Look at these. ZeeLooL. I like these. I sure do. Y'all go over there and get y'all a pair. Go get you one of these. Gotta do my nails too. But go get you one of these. Let me get close. You want me to get close up on the other ones real quick? Hold on, wait a minute. I can't see y'all when I take them off. My eyes is bad. It's alright. But we're gonna get back to this video because I don't know which one of these I want to keep on. Who said big head can't compliment these glasses? ZeeLooL, I'll be back. Hope these don't grow legs.